Hello everybody, welcome back to Tornado Craft, and we have a little bit of problems here. Literally, C2 tornado is coming towards us, and F3 tornado was above us, or is still. Now it's F2, but I can show you. I think it gets destroyed everything up there because the sirens is not holding anymore. Oh yeah, that's a tornado above us.
Sirens are gone, I think.
Oh. Oh, yep, that's a little bit,
Yeah, they've gone. Completely gone.
well, you see what tornadoes can do. They're literally destroying our blocks. And it destroyed the whole thing. Oh no. It's still there, wait, I want to get to it. Whoa! Yeah, I'm flying! I want to get back to the tornado. I'm a tornado hunter. Woo!
Alright. So how even the Cybermen are gonna flow?
No.
You would become like us. Well, you can't. I can't become like us. Dead, don't you?
Woo!
I'm right behind a tree.
It's kind of cool, tornado surfing. Woo! Where's the middle? I don't see it. It's... Whee! Tornado clubs!
I'm free. Hi.
Hi.
How's your
You
day?
also want to ride?
Just a regular day, isn't it? So lovely.
I mean, normally the G-forces should have killed us right now, but... well... Oh, bye, Siren Man. Oh, you see this little wobbly animation there? Oh, that's cool.
No, just...
Okay, oh, what's that? I found something under the water. Did you? Is that you? Oh, that's you.
Welcome to my new house. Do you like it?
So yeah, that was a little bit intense out there. But quite cool. And yeah, we are very close to build a Tardis. We just need a few more ender pearls, and we need more Zytron.
A lot.
And then we can craft the Tardis. Kibo,
Yes.
are we blind or something?
Oh.
Well, there are 9 ender pearls in this chest here. Are we blind?
I thought they were. What the? I don't even know anymore.
Okay, that's interesting. So I have the map, I have that. So
Hey, I'm in the sweet team. No.
literally the thing is this thing is block of Titan. So we need to get back mining there. So maybe oh, I tried mining down here, right?
You want some sweet man? I'm on the store right now.
It's like spawned over there, and then it goes through here. Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, was a tornado.
Can I have the slingy thing? I need to get somewhere. Oh. Can't do it now.
You can, you just need to time it right, like half a millisecond or something.
Every second past my death.
Try it higher. When you put it very much down, it should shoot you very high.
Range 8 by a creeper. So, and two. No, two.
Where did you put the sofa copter? I will fly with it. Back in the base.
Blue, yellow, and past. Good. That's what we want.
Let's fly with the sofa copter.
Oh, another thingy.
Sofa copter. Let's get back to the village where I died because of this Daleks.
Do we need more steel at all, or?
More steel? Well, I have 5. We need 6, so 1 more.
Alright, I've got plenty here. Quite a lot.
Oh yeah, guys, this speed is good, and with the polar lights, oh, that's cool.
My mommy. No, but he is.
Tornado hunters on their way.
More sonic crystals, yes please. That doesn't hurt any. Ooh,
Wait. Oh, it was just my breathing, okay.
yeah, I've got enough.
Oh, I saw a little bit where the tornado went.
Classic. Vanilla ice.
No, I don't want vanilla ice. Thank you.
No, I want an Enderman. I'm a bit pissed off. Reckon you kill him with 1 hit? Nope. Not 1 hit. 2 hits, yes. Ender pearl, yes. Well, yes. Will I do it again? Probably. Am I retarded? Yes. Baby milk yes.
I can
Surprise,
fall in.
motherfucker!
Oh, I found another one, and it's there's ice in it.
Alright, fucker.
No.
Alright, motherfucker.
No Seiten.
0? Oh,
0.
hey.
Well, there's a very nice field here.
No, it's in a bucket. Hello. Bye.
Very nice landscape here.
Very good, very nice.
Oh, there's a whole field with purple flowers. Ooh.
I got some sugar cane.
Yep, that's an F5.
Yes.
I'm literally flying through an F5 with my Sofacopter right now.
What is it? Alright.
Guys, we have a big tornado here. That's an F5 tornado. I
Hey,
love
Mr.
it.
Darling. Shoot.
Let's say the whole landscape.
Yeah, you get you. Yeah.
You poor Dalek. I can just fly away from it, but it's so fucking big.
It turns out that's flying.
We just need 2 more sites in there. Just cave. Could it be there? Could it be there?
What?
Oh no, there are explosive Daleks in there.
You could just blow them up and then just do your thing. Oh.
Oh, that's cool here. That's so many ores, but there should be sight in here.
I hate the beat.
There's Seiten! 3 items! 1, 2. Yeah, exact 3. Exact fucking 3 Seiten there. Okay, I will come back.
I got the one up the chest. Body of a building.
The tornadoes just over there. Okay, which way do I need to fly back? I see.
Okay.
I will let the tornado stay there and do whatever tornado does, destroying the world and everything.
Before coming towards my base. If you like my comment, thank you.
Okay guys, we can craft a Tardis. Now we just need to get back with our Sofacopter.
I'm in danger.
But the tornado is slowly approaching.
What would you ever do?
I will go inside. I have much time.
You've got
think.
to.
Like the tornado is right over there. It should be good.
I'm Captain America now. Well, Captain Britain.
Oh, there's a golden knife in here. Look, the gunpowder.
Get what you can. They're helpful anyway.
Oh, okay. Oh, I have the right rune. I can enchant things. Cool. Strings. We need strings. And what? Flash. And bones. Why not? Sand. No, it don't be sand. Oh, 3 emeralds and OP gold emerald. Cool, 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 cool. Now I know which way home.
Good boy. Yeah, that should kill fast.
I'm home.
Oh, Merry Christmas. That's the piano. Open the doors. Open it. Lie down. Fuck. No, it's not that I want.
Oh, okay. So now we can. Why did you put the things into the Tardis crafting slot too? The cartridge and the map.
Ender pearl? Possibly the ender pearl if you have any left.
6.
That will make you something. I still remember I have to do this.
Okay, guys, we have. Oh yeah, here. Do you want the 2 side ones that I have?
Yeah, have your own key.
Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, we have the TARDIS, but we will. Oh yeah, well, we'll show it to the end of the video. Why not?
Yeah. Need to protect us at all times, though. Yo. Well, I think actually just use it.
It's a wonderful clear night. Okay, I will place it down in 3, 2, 1.
Baby, it's fun. Right, shift right click on it with your key. Should be bounded?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, I can select one. Yeah. Which
Right,
one?
which one you want? This is important.
The Delta one, maybe? Or the Time Leak? I think Time Leak would be good.
I've got all different choices, that's good. You
Okay,
pick one.
it's generating.
This way.
Oh.
way. You first. You need to add me to, you need to give me, companion. You just need to add my name to the monitor. Or I'll just do that. This one works. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
We have an anvil down here, so we can instantly enchant items. And we have a few furnaces in here. Yeah, guys, this is our TARDIS now. Oh, we made it. Oh, I can sit. I can sit now. Yeah.
I miss these type of TARDIS. They were better, and they're better.
I will add you as a companion. Wait. We see you in the next episode, and I don't know, see.